Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
I personally love curls. I mean, they look gorgeous. But I've seen a lot of my friends with curly hair struggle with their curls from time to time. It truly does take a lot of products to tackle issues like frizz and those crazy tangles. But I've narrowed down the list to just 5 products that can make your life a whole lot easier and keep those curls in check. This LeaveIn Cream from BBlunt doesn't leave your hair feeling too oily or greasy. It keeps the frizz to a minimum and leaves your hair feeling soft until the next wash. Flip your damp hair upside down and evenly apply the LeaveIn Cream. You don't want to pull it straight down, so scrunch up your hair with the help of your fingers. This will keep the curls intact. This product also protects the hair from heat and doesn't leave it feeling too dry. This spray is perfect for when you want to style your hair like an event or a wedding. It also makes your hair feel super smooth and shiny and makes your curls stand out. Just spritz on your hair and style it the way you like. This product doesn't weigh your hair down, doesn't have a greasy texture and stays on for 5 to 6 hours. The L'Oreal Mythic Oil, unlike other oils, isn't clammy at all and gets absorbed into your hair, leaving no stickiness behind. It also helps control frizz and smooths out flyaways. Use 1 or 2 pumps on towel-dried hair and scrunch your curls for a beautiful definition. This product makes your hair smooth and shiny and gives it a nice bounce. Just pair it with a hydrating conditioner and you'll start to see the difference. This coconut shampoo and conditioner have a very creamy consistency which makes it easy to detangle the knots. It also moisturizes your curls and leaves them soft. Also, I love the coconutty fragrance. This conditioner smooths out the hair and detangles it and works for any kinds of curls, loose or tight. Apply a little product on the hair and scrunch it up. Wait for a few minutes and then rinse it out. This product keeps frizz in check even in humid conditions. It also smoothens out your hair and makes it more manageable. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Putting too much product will make your hair crunchy and sticky. Your curls require a lot of attention, but these products will definitely make your life easier. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, you know that the POPxo shop is now live. You can get amazing mugs and cushion covers. All that you need to do is click on the link in the description box below and go crazy shopping. For more hair care tips and tricks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty. Bye!